up, YouTube? We back at it with another video. Welcome back. Here's a little update on the tanks. Looking nice and shiny. They cleaned them up for me. They basically patched everything up that was messed up. Right there. Get my baby back up and going. That's one tank. Oh snap. Oh, so they cleaned them real good. Inside. You know, it's still a little damage right there. Just with a cover plate. You know. This one. That's where the bigger hole was at. Hopefully everything ended up working out right. There they go. Have to start putting them back on. Alright, y'all, this is a little update. Got one strap on right now. Just to lining it up. You know, getting her back right. It's messy. She down though. We're gonna get her back A1. What's up, YouTube? I'm looking a little rough. Got that grease going. Got the other tank back on. Just got done greasing her down. She's filthy right now. All the lines fixed, dry shaft. New parts. Just got done greasing her down. So now, gotta go get some fuel. She empty. So, you know, 200 gallons. It's gonna be a whole lot of money. But yeah, I'm finished greasing her down. Got a lot to do still. Well, not really. Get some new tires on her tomorrow. Grease the fifth wheel. Not that much left. Got the turbo rebuilt. Just fixing a whole lot of stuff. Got the new plan clutch. Throw that bad boy on. And get her back going. She back, y'all. Yeah, man. She is back. Woo! Alright, y'all. So, appreciate watching, tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Catch you on the next video. Doses.